everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to put Translate on keyboard. So in order to put Translate on keyboard, you'll have to download Gboard. In order to do that, simply launch open Play Store or App Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Gboard. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to find the results. Find the option for Gboard and tap on it. My device already comes with the Gboard installed. If it is not installed on your device, you'll be able to find the option for install in this interface. Simply tap on it, wait for a while and Gboard will be installed. Now after the Gboard has been installed, make sure to use it as a default keyboard on your device. After you do that, what you have to do is go anywhere where you can use the keyboard. Now you can see over here the keyboard has been opened. In the Gboard at top you'll be able to find several icons. Over here you'll be able to find this kind of icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find several options like one-handed, text editing, clipboard, share Gboard, etc. Over here find the option for translate and tap on it. Now you can see over here this kind of pop-up will appear. If you use the Google Translate, the text that you type into the translate box will be sent to Google for translation. Simply tap on the OK option. Now you can see over here you'll be able to type here to translate. Simply type in anything that you want. You can also choose the language if you want. Simply tap on the option that is selected right now. Now you'll be able to find several languages over here. Simply tap on the language of your choice. Now type in anything that you want to translate. Now you can see over here whatever you type in this box, it will be translated to the language that you select. So like this, you'll be able to put translate on keyboard. So that is how you put translate on keyboard. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.